withdrawal history right here, you are going to see everything right here on this particular page, right? So if I just scroll down right now, this is where it all started from, right? This one of 54 TRX, and if I scroll up, you are going to see a lot more like that, down to this one of 16 TRX. I have actually withdrawn 500 TRX here. I have withdrawn over 300 TRX like a lot of times, right? And you can see right here, this is 500 TRX. These are a lot of money. So after I calculated all these, I actually accumulated 3,020 TRX, and that is approximately 450 US dollar, right? With the current dollar rate, it is actually very close to 730,000 naira. Currently on my balance right now, you can see I'm having 21.5 USDT right here, and currently right here, this is 0 TRX because I just placed another withdrawal just a few minutes ago. Everything we do on this platform is actually trading, right? So we trade TRX, and you can easily decide to trade USDT as well. It all depends on the one of your choice, like the one that is okay by you. But I usually do recommend trading TRX because TRX is more cheaper in the market if you want to trade with it, right, compared to USDT. So if you don't have much money and you want to make huge profit, then you can easily go into TRX trading, right? Immediately you register on this platform, they are going to give you 10 TRX for free, alright? That particular 10 TRX, you can actually make more money with it, but there is something you definitely need to do before they give you the 10 TRX, right? So all you need to do is to verify your KYC by going over to this KYC authentication page. When you land here, then you are going to see the details with which you are going to verify your identity, right? They're going to ask for your nationality, you enter it here, your surname, your real name, that is your first name, then your date of birth, you are going to set it here. After everything, click on next step. So when you click on the next step, they can actually request for some means of identifications. Make sure you provide everything they requested, and then you are basically going to notify them through their Telegram support. Then they are going to credit you your 10 CRX, right? So I'm going to show you how you can claim your 10 TRX towards the end of this video, okay? And as much as you've done the verification, you are going to be opportunity to get the 10 TRX. But it is not going to be automatic. You have to claim it, right? And that is what I'm going to be showing you towards the end of the video. So if I visit this particular homepage right here, this homepage section here, you are going to see some options right here with which we actually make money from this platform, right? So they have the BTC USDT, the ETH USDT, and also the simulation and daily mining, right? This daily mining is actually going to earn you free money. You are going to see some crypto assets dropping right here. Make sure you are just tapping on them. So in as much as you're tapping on them, then you are going to get some free USDT assets, right? So it is as easy as that. Once you pick one, you need to wait patiently for the next one out to actually pick another one, alright? But the money you are going to be getting from that daily mining aspect is actually small. Yeah, it's small compared to the one you are going to earn when you trade on the platform, right? Also, you can connect to them on all their social media handles. That is how you definitely know that this platform is very authentic, right? You can join them on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Telegram, and WhatsApp, right? They have all these channels right here. To get started on the platform, visit the video description, enter your email address right here. When you click on the registration link, this particular button that says get code, click on it. You are going to receive a code into your email address. Input it right here. Once you're through doing that, then come down here. Make sure you change this particular code to your country code, right? Depending on where you're watching this video from, right? So if you are in Nigeria like I am right here, you just need to scroll down and select Nigeria, alright? So you are going to see your country right there. If you are not in Nigeria, just put in your phone number right here. If you are in Nigeria, in as much as you've selected this 234, then you need to remove the first zero of your phone number, right? So then you are going to put in your password, that is your account password. You confirm the password, then you are going to scroll down here and click on the register button down below, okay? Once you click on it, your account is going to be created immediately with this platform. So when you register right here, remember I told you around the beginning of this video, you need a startup capital for you to start trading right here, okay? And basically what we trade on is the BTC USDT and the ETH USDT, which you've actually saw on this particular page earlier, right? So this is the BTC USDT page, and you can see you can actually trade on 5-minute signals. You can trade on 1 minute, you can trade on 15 minutes, 60 minutes, 4 hours, and 1 day, right? So this particular distances that you can see right here are the days between your trading results, right? So which means if you trade on 1 minute, it means you are going to get your trade results in 1 minute's time, right? If you trade on 5 minutes, it means you are going to get the result of your trade in 5 minutes, and those things are actually what you need to take note of, right? So basically we usually actually use the 1 minute trading method, and that's exactly what we are going to be doing in this particular video right here, okay? I've actually placed some trades on this platform before now. If I click on this record section, you're going to see a lot of trades that I've actually placed right here. The transaction section is what I'm going to check right here, okay? When you lose, you just need to double up your money so that you actually accumulate your loss and your wins and everything all together, and then you're going to recoup your profits, alright? The platform actually have signal channels for you, right? So for you to join their signal group, you can visit the video description below and click on the link to join their Telegram signal groups, right? So once you join the groups, then you can really get started. Now, first off, you need to make recharge into your account, right? Now, as a matter of fact, it has been working for me for about 7 to 8 months now, and I believe it will definitely work for you as well, alright? So before you recharge your money, make sure you make your research so you get to understand everything properly before you start trading, okay? So now, once you click on recharge, you're going to land on this page. You're basically going to copy the wallet address given to you by clicking on the copy icon here. Then you are going to go over to your crypto wallet and do the exact transaction that you want to do. Alright, so basically for me right now, I'm going to transfer 300 TRX into this wallet now, so I can use it to demonstrate the trading process for you, okay? And at the end of it, I'm going to withdraw and show you everything how it goes. The minimum amount you can actually recharge is 10 TRX or 10 USDT. Then it takes just 1 minute for it to arrive, right? It is always very, very fast. Or if you are transferring USDT, then you can go for USDT TRC20. So let me pause the video right now while I go ahead to my Bybit wallet and do the transaction. So once the transaction is done, I now need to refresh this particular page here and wait patiently for the money to arrive, right? So just make sure you keep on refreshing, and in just 1 to 2 minutes, you are going to receive it, right? Alright, we'll keep on refreshing the page right now. Patiently waiting. Okay, now 300 TRX has reflected, and you can see my USDT balance is still here, right? So now I can start trading by going over to the home page right here. So once we land on the home page, we are using the BTC USDT section, alright? So that is basically what I usually trade on, okay? So once we click on that, then we are going to land on the page, right? So we are going to be going for the 1 minute trade as usual, right? So once I click on it, then we are going to see the chart right here. This is their Telegram channel, and this is how the signal actually looks like. The period is 329, the last 3 digits of the period, and we are trading double. You can see it says trade double, alright? So the fee is 329, okay? So let's click on buy right now. Once you click on buy, you are going to land on this page. Okay, the fee is now 330, which means the 329 trade is over, right? Remember, it's just 1 minute. So let's now assume that is the period. You just select double here. This is single, this is small, this is big. So let's assume they say you should select double. You select the amount of TRX, you put in the amount of TRX you want to trade with right here. Let's say 10 TRX. Then you actually go down here and you're going to click on confirm right here, okay? Then the trade is going to be placed. This is another signal right now. 330 is the face, and we are selecting big. So you just come here, select big. When you make sure that the period is 330 already, select big, put 10 TRX and select confirm, then click trade. We missed all those previous signals. Let me just show you this one right now and let's see how it goes, right? This is 331 period and we are trading big, okay? So now we're going over to the app again and we are selecting big right here. This is 331 according to them. We are putting 10 TRX, click on confirm, click on trade, okay? So that's basically how you can place your trade on this platform. We just have to wait patiently for the time countdown to finish counting. You can see my balance has decreased right now, okay? So I'm currently waiting. If this happens to be a win, of course my balance will increase. But if it happens to be a loss, my balance will decrease to 290 or so, okay? So if it happens to be a win, you're going to see win. But if it's a loss, you're going to see loss right here, okay? So that's practically how they do it, okay? The trade has completed and we had a win, as you can see. My balance has now increased to 390 RX. So we are basically waiting for another signal right now, okay? So now let's just test it with their Telegram channel. You can see this was a win, and this is another trade signal, 332. We are trading small, okay? So I'm going over to the app again. I'm going to put in small right here. This is 332. I'll select small. Then I'm putting in 10 TRX as usual, right? So I'm not going to risk too much money. Let me just put 9 TRX. Then I'm going to click on confirm and click on trade, okay? So now we still have to wait patiently. You can see it says successful trade. So once the time countdown has finished, then we are going to get the result. If it happens to be a win, they are going to let us know. This is another one, 333. We actually had a loss right now. So we are going into 333. clicking on single, and I'm going with 20 TRX, okay? So this is what I say. If you have a loss in the previous signal, make sure you double your money in the next one. So you are going to recoup your profit, okay? So if this happens to be a win, you can see this is a loss again. So we are going into another trade right now, 334, right? So I'm selecting small according to their signal. So I'm going to go into the app right now. This is 334 according to the period. Selecting small, putting in 60 TRX because I already use 30 TRX to trade. 30 TRX plus 20 TRX making 30, okay? Plus 2, multiply by 2 rather, making 60, okay? So that is why I'm going into this one with 60 TRX. So if this happens to be a win now, all my profit and my loss, everything is going to be back, okay? So let's just wait patiently for this one to finish, and then let's see if we actually have a loss or a win. Okay, we actually have a win. As you can see, the balance has now increased back, so we are now having 315 TRX. Okay, so remember, I recharged 300 TRX on this platform. I have just made 15 TRX profits in just less than a few minutes. So if I click on closure, it means I've actually completed my trading. So you can trade as much as you want on this platform. So the amount you can earn every single day is not limited. All right, like you are not limited to any amount, right? You can make as much as you want. We can actually withdraw right now. On the withdrawal page, we just have to put in our Trx wallet address right here, and after then we want to go ahead and enter the amount you want to withdraw, right? So this is your Trx address, TRC20 wallet address. I'm going to click on this mark so I can select everything on my wallet. This platform is going to remove 1 TRX charges, and as a result, I'm going to be getting 314 TRX into my wallet. Then I'll click on withdraw, and then we have to wait patiently to receive it. So I'm going to put in my account password, my payment password. While registering, they are going to ask you for your payment password. Make sure you set it, okay? So after then, we can now wait patiently for the withdrawal to drop into my wallet. So while we're waiting for the withdrawal to drop, you can easily invite your friends to this platform so you can make more money for yourself, right? Click on this mine, and this particular section that says rebate, if you click on it, then you are going to land on this page, right? So just scroll down here, you can see how much I have earned in total for inviting level 1 referrals. If I click on receive now, I'm actually going to receive the money into my wallet. So also the level 2 referrals, you can see how much I'm currently having. Make sure it is up to 10 TRX before you claim it. So if it is not up to 10 TRX, they are not going to pay you the money, okay? Once you've claimed it, then you are going to see a button below right here that says invite friends to join, right? You can actually earn more money by clicking on that button, then click on this copy right here. This is your invitation link right here, okay? Just click on copy and then send it to your friends that are coming on board. You are going to earn massive money on this platform for inviting your friends. Alright, the withdrawal is here right now, and this is the detail of the withdrawal as you can see right here, okay? I actually got the 314.5 TRX straight into my Bybit wallet, right? So if I should convert this right now, it should be very, very close to 40 US dollar, if not up to it, right? So this is exactly how this opportunity works, and I believe you've learned one or two right here in this video. I'm going to be signing out for now. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and make sure you share with your friends so we all can make money on this wonderful opportunity.